Hey guys, I'm making this video. This is my baby Blizzard. If you notice, when he walks, he doesn't really use his back leg that much. He's been acting like he's weak, and he hasn't been really moving that much. But I shoved calcium. Didn't shove it. He opened his mouth, and I put calcium in his mouth to see if there was a problem. But he sprung up just a little bit. Not to what he was at before. I don't really know what's wrong with him, so if you can kind of give me an idea of what you think it is, I don't even know what to say. That would be great. Alright? Trying to get him to walk. He barely uses those back legs, he just drags him along. I don't really know what the hell is going on. Just let me know. Thanks.